Want to know how to use data types in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use data types. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, data type is something that you define your variable with. So let's say I have this decimal number right here, so I must define it so that it's valid. So for that, we got double. So double is a data type that defines a variable. So what double does is it stores decimal. So once I name a double and name it anything I like, I can store a numeric decimal. So that's it. It's the same for others. So integer stores number and it is a data type for 25 right here, and character stores only a single character. So on a string right here, when I type in string name and then just double quote it and then write ram, this right here stores a multiple characters or text, but character only stores a single one. So that's it. Super simple and easy. So boolean just simply selects true or false. That's it. And these are some basic data types. Now you can just print it out as well. Now you can just simply run it up, and here you can see. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.